How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel. And before I get this video going, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers, and all my old subscribers. Thank you very much. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't have a channel. And appreciate you. And with that being said, I got mail call. I got a couple of Christmas cards in. Thank you very much, Charlie Mack. You and your wife Susan, awesome job making those cards. Beautiful. Thank you. Appreciate you very much. Love getting y'all Christmas cards. And if y'all ain't subscribed to him, which I'm pretty sure y'all are, I mean, Charlie Mack's been around the community way longer than I've ever been in the community. But if you ain't, I'll leave a description below. And then Frank Frizzo. Beautiful card. Love the truck, the Christmas tree, the kind words too. And yeah, I seen the Squatch. He's hiding behind the tree. Thank you, guy. Appreciate you, brother. And if you're not subscribed to Frank Frizzo, please do. And I'll leave his description below too. And I got one the other day. Let's see. Tom. Oh, well, I got many. I'll try to remember to get everybody's on here and everything. This video is just going to be a short video, guys. Gavin's making fun of me taking so long. I guess the reason why me and old Gavin Booth, the reason why we make such long videos is because, you know, I guess we're just trying to make up for our inadequacies in our manhood, if you know what I mean. So I guess we like to make long videos. So, all right, Gavin, back at you, brother. Love you. And thanks for the shout out the other day. That's funny. I just got around to watching that video just now. Got time. Appreciate you, brother. I've always enjoyed your channel. Always loved what you do. And guys, I'll leave a description for old Gavin Booth too. With that being said, I'm just making fun with you, Gavin. Alright, this video, like I said, is just going to be short and sweet. After Christmas sometime, probably around February or so, Mr. BG, me and Brian are going to co-host the small scale build. And once we get our stuff finalized, we'll get back with you on that. And this is just going to be a little update on my race team. You know, I'm building the Grumpy Toys VEGA and the truck hauler. This is just going to, I haven't really got a whole lot done. I'll turn around here in a minute and show you what I've gotten done. And two is I was going to tell you guys I'm not going to be able to probably be on here for about a week or so. My son and his wife and my twin grandbabies are coming in from New York. They should be here today or tonight sometime. And so it's just going to be nothing but family time, guys. My grandbabies are a little over a year old. Love them to death. Don't get to see them as much as I want to because they're way up there in New York and I'm here in Arkansas. So with that being said, I'm sure you guys can understand I'm not going to make no videos for probably a week or so. And really, guys, I don't know if I'm even going to have time to comment on your videos. So I'll try to catch up. I will, I promise. I do try to catch up. Y'all have seen that a lot of times. It might be a week or so later, and I'll be finally commenting on a video you had or whatever. But it's hard, you know, life's hard sometimes to do. You know, when I got them two twins running around here, it's going to consume all my life for this whole week or so. It's going to be an awesome Christmas, and I'm so looking forward to it. And my wife is over the moon. She is just ready. So with that being said, you know, my oldest boy will be here for Christmas. His wife, we're just going to have a good Christmas. We're going to have awesome holidays. So like I said, I'm just not going to have time to be on here, and I probably won't be commenting. So don't get worried or discouraged or anything like that. You know, please understand. And it's just going to be fun. Okay, with that being said, I'm going to shut up and turn this around and just show you what little bit I've gotten done, which ain't much, but I'll show you what progress I have made. Alright, here we are. Let me see. Alright, I finally got the body painted again, the white. I had it in the stripper. Y'all remember that? I had to strip it. Actually, I had to strip like 2 or 3 bodies. But this is the one I'm going to use. So I got the white down. So now I just got to mask it off. Paint this whole section red for the version I'm building. And so that's done there. Well, it ain't done, but that's as far as I can get done. Here is the ramp bed right here. I got it painted red. Still got a lot to do on it. I got the top. I'll have to touch up a few little spots here, but it's painted white and red. This side's not as bad. It'll have to be sanded out and clear coated and stuff. Of course, I'll have to do a lot of painting on it. But that's all I've got done on the cab. You can see here it'll go about like that right there. And then got the chrome shaved off right here. Okay, and then here's the grill I'm going to be using. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. That is a 69 Chevy grill. I've shaved the back out of it, and I've de-chromed it and chromed it. And then I'm going to put actual headlights in it. I kind of shaved, kind of grooved down the in there where the headlights were, because they were just molded in. I'm going to put actual plastic headlights in it. And then I'm going to put the steel mesh behind the grill, and I'll paint the grill up on the insides to look like the 69, and it'll look good with this grill on it. And instead of a 72, I'm making it a 69. And I think y'all remember this right here. I did that to the front. I didn't put the mesh behind it, but I just shaved back behind it and got the grill to open up on the VEGA. So you can see right there. So the bumper is going to stay white on the VEGA. You can see behind there. The bumper will stay white, but the grill is going to be like aluminum or steel color once I get it painted. Because on this particular version of the VEGA, the bumpers were white and not chrome. So the back bumpers white. I de-chromed them and painted them, whether you can see it or not. And of course, I think the last time I showed you the engine, I've got the engine wired up, kind of detailed up a little bit. I'm not done, but done as I'm going to be for now. And then I think I've already showed you the wheels and tires here. That's really about all I've gotten done. You know, I got the chassis painted black. I just got to do all the detailing. Same thing here on this one. I got a lot done, but not enough done. I think, you know, here's the interior. The interior is the only thing I've really kind of got completed on the VEGA. You can see the steering wheel, the tack, the batteries wired, got the fire extinguisher, you got your seat belts in there, and those are the Edward seat belts for anybody that don't know. Right there, 6-point racing harness right there. Very cool. Those are very nice. Oh, and Gavin, I'm a good figure painter too. Look at that. That's a beautiful work of art. All right, guys. Like I said, I'm not going to be on here for about a week or so. So, with that being said, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, and everybody be safe. Love you. Peace out.